Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after your device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, recovery mode. And after that, you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery you have such options as install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode. You can also shut down or restart your device from here. So let's just restart it to quit this mode, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.